So Psalms 103 verse 1 to 22. Let's read this responsively, and in verse 22, let's all read this together. In verse 1, bless the Lord, O my soul, and all is within me. Bless his holy name. Who forgiveth all thy iniquities, who healeth all thy diseases, who satisfieth thy mouth with good things, so that thy youth is renewed like the eagles. He made known his ways unto Moses, his acts unto the children of Israel.
The Lord is merciful and gracious, slow to anger.
He will not always chide, neither will he keep his anger forever. For as the heaven is high above the earth, so great is his mercy toward them that fear him.
As far as the east is from the west, so far
Like as a father pitieth his children, so the Lord pitieth them that fear him.
for we know it our praying, we remember it.
As for man, his days are as grass, as a flower of the field, so he flourisheth.
For the wind passeth over it, and the sun, the face thereof shall know.
But the mercy of the Lord is from everlasting to everlasting upon them that fear him, and his righteousness unto children's children.
Such as keep his covenant, and those that remember his commandments to do it.
The Lord hath prepared his throne in the heavens, and his kingdom ruleth over all.
Bless the Lord, ye his angels, excel his strength, and those his commandments are reading of the words of his word.
Bless ye the Lord, all ye his hosts, ye minister of his that do his pleasure. In verse 22, let's all read this together. Bless the Lord, all his works in all places of his dominion. Bless the Lord, O my soul.